In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and organize a team calendar in Google Calendar. By the end, you'll have a clean, shared calendar that keeps coaches, players, and parents on the same page with zero guesswork. Start on a desktop in Google Calendar. On the left, look for the section labeled Other Calendars. Click the plus icon next to it and choose Create New Calendar. Give your calendar a clear name that everyone will recognize, like your team name and season. You can add a short description if you want, and make sure the time zone is correct so events line up for everyone. Then click Create Calendar. That's it. Your team calendar exists and is ready to use. Next, let's share it with the right people. In the left sidebar, click your new calendar, then open Settings for My Calendars. Scroll until you see Share with specific people or groups and select Add People and Groups. Enter the email addresses for coaches, players, and parents. Set permissions thoughtfully. The head coach should be able to make changes and manage sharing. Assistant coaches should be able to make changes to events, and players or parents can be set to see all event details. Click Send to notify them. They'll receive an invite and can add the calendar to their own view instantly. Now it's time to add team events. Click Create and make entries for practice sessions, game days, tournament weekends, team meetings, and fundraisers. When you add an event, double-check that it's being saved to the team calendar, not your personal one. Fill in the location with the full field address so it maps correctly. In the description, include the arrival time if it's different from kickoff, the uniform color for the day, and any notes like bring water and shin guards. Detailed events prevent last-minute confusion. To make the calendar easier to scan, color code your events. Assign one color for practices, another for games, a third for tournaments, and a different color for meetings. You can pick the color while creating or editing the event. Consistent colors help everyone understand the week at a glance. Finally, set recurring events for practices so you don't rebuild the same event every week. Open a practice event. Change. Does not repeat to weekly. Choose the correct day or days and save. If your schedule changes later, you can edit just one occurrence or the entire series. With these steps, your team calendar is organized, shareable, and easy to maintain. Keep details consistent.